secondary by Tere Callaway, the safety.
Welcome back, guys. It's Tere Callaway, the #1 ranked realtor in the state of Alabama on social media and number 63 in North America. And today I'm here to tell you guys where Huntsville was ranked amongst the best cities in the US. Well, I'm gonna get straight to it. We're ranked #1. That's right. The #1 best place to live in the US, according to me, who's a reliable source, and US News, is Huntsville, Alabama. So wherever you're watching this from, if it's not Huntsville, just know you are not currently living in the best city, and we need to change that. So first, let's do a quick overview on Huntsville, Alabama. We're located in North Alabama. We're about 30 minutes from the Tennessee border, hour and a half from Nashville, and we have a metro population of 464,000 people, which isn't too large, but definitely isn't too small. We also have a median age of 38 years old, so we're a younger city in general. We have a median home price of $192,000, and we have an average salary of $58,000, which means if you make an average salary here with no debt, you can afford a median home price, which I know you cannot say that in a lot of other cities. So let's talk about what makes Huntsville one of the best places to live. Other than the amazing scenery, the beautiful houses, and the cost of the houses, one of the main attractions are the jobs. And in Huntsville, we have a ton of different job opportunities. We have a lot of aerospace, defense, private sector, government, and ample engineering jobs. Like, we have the most engineers per capita than any other place in the US. And along with that, we're getting more manufacturing jobs. The FBI just built a headquarters here. Facebook has a database. We have the Redstone Arsenal, which is a military base, as well as NASA, Boeing, and many other companies that have been moving here. Companies have invested billions of dollars worth of moving their plants and their operations here, and that's really showing in our job market. One of the key things that leads to having a great job is having a great education, unless you're a realtor. But Huntsville really has great education, and we see that with our schools, all the way from elementary to high school. We have 21 public schools and 44 private schools. And amongst those schools, 15 of the high schools in the Huntsville area are on US News Best High Schools in the Country's list, which is amazing. We also have about 4 universities in the Huntsville area, one of which is ranked amongst the best colleges in the US by US News. So education is a very big thing here, and you can see that with the job growth. We've also been ranked top 25 most educated city in the US, which again is why businesses want to invest so much money here, because we have the education to back it up, and they love employing local people as well as transplants. When people think about schools, they typically think about moving their family. And anytime someone thinks about family, they think about safety, which is why I'm so proud to tell you that Huntsville is one of the safest metro populations in the US. Actually, last year we were ranked the number 18 safest metro population in the US. We have below average crime rates for all the statistical categories when it comes to any types of crime, which is amazing to hear if you're thinking about moving your family across the country and don't know too much about Huntsville. But I can assure you it is a great place to live. So those are the major things I wanted to touch on. Like, I am so proud that we were ranked #1. I sent it to all my family this morning as soon as I got it. All my out-of-state clients, all my clients that I got from YouTube, shout out to you guys. And it's just a really amazing accomplishment for a city that's growing so fast. Like, everybody is talking about Huntsville and wanting to move here. And now the world's taking notice. So if you have any thoughts about moving, please don't hesitate to contact me. It is a great city, and I truly, truly, truly love it here. And that's from someone from Seattle, Washington. So again, I thank you guys for watching. Please tune in for the next one. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.